Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Okay, Mary, tell me what's going on with your hip.
I injured it running, training for a half marathon. I feel pain when I use weight-bearing exercises or pushing and pulling.
So how long has this been going on?
Since May, so 2 months.
2 months ago. Okay, and how much pain do you feel at worst in your hip from 0 to 10?
7.
7. What kind of pain?
A sharp pinching pain.
Okay, and what kind of treatments you had for that?
Just ibuprofen and rest.
And rest, okay. All right, so can you show us the painful, 1 second, motion?
So just hopping.
Okay, how much pain with that?
Probably about a 5.
And where do you feel the pain? In this area, 5 out of 10. Have a seat. Brandon? So I will have you lie down, head over there. We'll just do the treatment and then we'll test the hopping. So it's in the left hip. So that's a sharp pain on that area. Okay. Are you comfortable for me to work in this area? So let me know if you feel any pain. Is that too heavy?
No.
So it's right in here. Your legs. So is that painful here?
No.
This is the spot, yeah? Is that painful?
Not too bad right now.
How much you think?
It's okay.
So you were planning to run a half marathon?
Yeah. San Francisco.
Just hopping and running, that's aggravated. Okay. Anything else?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Any discomfort with this? Here?
Nope.
How does it feel now? Can you feel the
It
difference?
feels looser, yeah.
Looser, yeah?
Yeah.
A lot looser. Compare this to this side.
Yeah, I can feel it. I haven't had any pain.
Really? Is that painful here?
It's a little more tender.
On the other side. You sure this is a good side?
I am.
Okay. Is that too much?
No, it's fine.
How does it feel now? Okay. Stand and jump and tell me how this feels. I'm gonna get the whole body. And tell me from 0 to 10. It was 5 before.
It's better.
0 to 10, how much is now?
Probably a 3.
You feel it in the same spot?
Yeah.
Have you had any abdominal surgery?
No.
Okay, lay on your back. It's in the same spot, yeah? You can see it. Here is okay to work. Do you have any abdominal issue?
No pain, no.
Okay, let's try it again. 0 to 10?
Probably more
1, where do you feel it?
same area. Like right here.
Just 1, okay. Try it again. Okay, alright, you can. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.